It's my family over there, all more concerned with their ticks on them than they are cowboying. Bless their hearts. Yeah, Merritt, you're fine. We need to just muscle up here.
Come on, baby.
Gage, what I need you to do is get out here and not keep them from running down the hill. Cadence, what's going on?
She's washing her ticks off.
Well, we got all our going home puppy stuff. 2 puppies go home today.
Hallelujah.
Green bean and navy. Back in the saddle again in the old farm truck. Got Cropper in the back. Bouncing along through a pasture. Does it get any better than this, boys?
No.
It doesn't. It doesn't get any better than this. So if you got it this good, don't forget it. Hey, you know what? All of us, we get to be farm boys. And that is pretty awesome, especially if you have a rad mullet.
Okay. Woo! Good job, Gage.
Hello, my guy. You are ready to get yourself a go-home bath. Because you're going home today, Green Bean. Green Bean is named George. And he's going to go live in Spring Hill, Tennessee. Oh, it's going to be so good. And also, Navy's going home today. And he is named Rocky now. And he is going to go live in Columbia, Tennessee. Where is he?
Mr. George.
Where's,
Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to go here.
Let's just do a joint bath here. Oh, no, stay back. Stay back. Oh my gosh, you guys are so much bigger now.
He says this is not good.
You sound like this. Oh, no. You're okay. Goodness gracious.
You gotta be upright and fluffy.
We need a family film crew
Fresh and
because that was some dirty water for 2 puppins.
Come back. Creamy.
Oh, Green, you're so fluffy now.
Left.
You're so fluffy. He's like, oh my gosh, it's the best.
Look at him.
Get his unders too, sister. So
Yeah,
he's not-
he escaped me. I know. He feels like a puppy. Is that crap?
He's like, now I feel great. And fresh and
Hey,
great.
no, get the puppy.
And he's gone.
Oh, he's gotta go roll on the rug. And then get their unders better. Man, I'm wet. I'm sorry. Not that wet. My booty, my booty, my booty.
Oh my goodness, shimmy shakes. Mom and Dad get, oh, he's not peeing, is he?
No.
Get some shimmy shake time with Mom and Dad before you go. Copper's got it.
Sorry.
We're gonna miss you, little babies. What a cute little family portrait. He's like, I'll clean you, you clean me. Oh, Mama's finishing up. She's getting all the private parts all cleaned up. Good jobs. Good jobs. Scarlett, what do you got going on here? Are those your babies? She's like, oh, they smell funny.
What are you doing? What, Lucy?